That was not even premeditated at all.
Hey, hey, hey. This has been Rock Naughty by Nature. We're here in Toronto, Canada, baby. About to put it down for the Raptors, man. Quick little 5-minute halftime performance. We're gonna be their good luck, because after Naughty finished rocking this halftime joint, I told them on the morning show, they're gonna win about 7 games straight. Watch the work. Hey, we work for the New York Giants, so we're gonna come up here to Canada and spread some good Giants Super Bowl victory will for this basketball team.
Number 55, Reggie Williams returning for the Bobcats. He's in from that girl.
I was born on North 15th Street. So Mr. Johnson here, he's my guy, just because of the big 1-5.
Thank you, Church. KG. The 3-man brothers in the building. Toronto, Canada, how the fuck y'all feel, man? On the wheels of steel, we got super producer DJ extraordinaire KG. Let it go, homeboy, let it go. Let's go. Hip Hop Karaoke Toronto. Thank y'all for having us. Peace.